Nervogen Pro is a nutritional supplement that claims to support nerves in your body. By taking 2 capsules of Nervogen Pro daily, you can purportedly give your body the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients it needs to execute crucial functions. Does Nervogen Pro really work? Is Nervogen Pro worth the price? Find out everything you need to know about this unique supplement today in our review. What is Nervogen Pro? Nervogen Pro is a nervous system supplement sold online through nervogen.com. The supplement claims to support nerve health using 5 ingredients, including passion flower, marshmallow root, cordyceps, prickly pear, and poppy extract. By taking 2 capsules of Nervogen Pro per day, you can purportedly support healthy nerve functioning within your brain and throughout your body. Nervogen Pro is marketed towards older adults who want to recapture their cognitive ability. If you have felt brain fog, weaker memory, or other symptoms of cognitive decline, then Nervogen Pro markets itself as a solution. It's also marketed towards people with impaired nerve function, like diabetics seeking relief from diabetic neuropathy. Obviously, there are plenty of supplements sold online today that advertise similar effects, and most of them don't work. Some of them are complete scams. Is Nervogen Pro yet another overhyped nootropic supplement? Or does it really supercharge your nervous system? Let's take a closer look at how Nervogen Pro works. How does Nervogen Pro work? Nervogen Pro uses just 5 ingredients to supercharge your nervous system. Some supplements use dozens of ingredients at medium dosages. Other supplements use a small number of ingredients at huge dosages. Nervogen Pro, oddly, uses a small number of ingredients at tiny dosages. There's less than 500 mg of total formula in each 2 capsule serving of Nervogen Pro, or about 4 to 5 mg to 145 mg of each ingredient. Although it's possible the listed ingredients could support nerve function at higher doses, there's little evidence they support cognition at a dosage this low. The goal of Nervogen Pro is to give your body the herbal extracts, plants, and other ingredients it needs to support nerve health in your brain. Your nerves carry signals from across your body to your brain. If your nerves aren't getting the support they need, your brain health will suffer. Nervogen Pro aims to use herbal extracts to support the health of your nerves, helping you enjoy noticeably stronger health and wellness. Nervogen Pro features and benefits. The makers of Nervogen Pro provide limited information about how Nervogen Pro works, what the ingredients do to your body, or what types of benefits you can expect from the formula. The company hints you can support nerve health and cognition using the formula, but there's limited information beyond that about how Nervogen Pro works or what it does. Some people take Nervogen Pro to support nervous function, targeting symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, or pins and needles. Others take Nervogen Pro to support cognition, targeting brain nerves. Based on vague clues on the Nervogen Pro sales page, the supplement seems to provide the following features and benefits. Formulated by a medicinal chemist with 25+ years of industry experience, made from a natural mix of plants and herbs. Simple and powerful formulas support overall health, support normal functioning of nerves in your body, helping you support overall health and wellness. Nootropics are more popular than ever, and many people nootropic supplements daily to support brain health. It's possible Nervogen Pro works similar to other nootropic supplements. It's also possible Nervogen Pro doesn't work at all or provide any of the benefits listed above. Nervogen Pro ingredients. Nervogen Pro contains 5 listed ingredients, including plant and herbal extracts. The company provides limited information about how each ingredient works, although we do get a specific dose for each ingredient in Nervogen Pro. The full list of ingredients includes 145 mg of passion flower, 110 mg of marshmallow root, 100 mg of cordyceps, 50 mg of prickly pear, 4 to 5 mg of California poppy seed. All ingredients are packaged into a vegetable capsule made from hypromolose. The capsule contains magnesium stearate as a filler, binder, and preservative. Magnesium stearate is the first listed ingredient under other ingredients, which is unusual. That means there's more magnesium stearate than there is vegetable capsule. That could mean Nervogen Pro is filled with magnesium stearate instead of the active ingredients listed above. The label also incorrectly labels the capsule as hypromolose. There's no such thing as a hypromolose capsule. It's called hypromolose. Scientific evidence for Nervogen Pro. Nervogen Pro has not completed any clinical trials to verify it improves cognition, memory, or other areas of your brain. The supplement has also not completed any trials to prove it fixes diabetic neuropathy or other conditions. Although some small studies have been performed on individual ingredients within Nervogen Pro, the formula has not been studied for its overall safety or efficacy. Kevin Miller, the man who created Nervogen Pro, claims he performed many trials before settling on the formula above. However, he has not shared research from any of those trials, and it's unclear how he trialed the ingredients, if at all. Nervogen Pro does have a references page, but it contains just 3-cited studies, none of which involved Nervogen Pro. The biggest ingredient in Nervogen Pro is passion flower. Many people take passion flower supplements daily to support relaxation. Others take passion flower for anxiety, insomnia, or pain. Some studies show that passion flower impacts GABA levels in the brain, which could help you relax. Some associate GABA with a state of focused relaxation. Others target GABA when they need to fall asleep or relax. This 2006 study showed that passion flower extract improved memory, reduced stress, and impacted neurotransmission. That study was performed on rats, not humans. Rats also received a significantly higher dose than what we see in Nervogen Pro. Between 30 and 300 mg/kg of body weight per day, hundreds of times higher than the dose used in Nervogen Pro. Large-scale evidence in humans has not connected passion flower extract to significant improvements in memory, but it could help you relax by targeting GABA, although the dose in Nervogen is too small to be noticeable in most people. Because passion flower could impact GABA, there's some evidence it provides moderate relief from nerve pain. However, this effect is not well understood and has not been extensively studied. We've seen Corydalis in some health supplements. One 2016 review found that Corydalis extract had antinociceptive properties, which means it could help with pain and inflammation. Some studies show Corydalis works by impacting the dopamine receptors. However, most research on Corydalis has been performed on mice, not humans. Like passion flower, Corydalis' dose in Nervogen Pro